Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we are talking about KMU-CAT second test 2025 Biology MCQs Quick Revision Part 7. Dear students, if you need MCQs for KMU-CAT test preparation, let me know in the comment section. Dear students, अभी तक अगर आपने मेरा YouTube चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो अभी सब्सक्राइब कर लें, लाइक और शेयर ज़रूर कर लें। शुक्रिया। Which amino acid is not optically active? Option A alanine, B glycine, C glutamine, and option D lysine. So the correct option is B glycine. Explanation is glycine is the only non-chiral proteinogenic amino acid. Dear students, this is very important MCQs. The largest immunoglobulin is option A IgA, B IgD, C IgM, and option D IgD. So the correct option is C IgM. Explanation is IgM immunoglobulin M is a pentamer, which is 5 antibodies unit joined together, making it the largest antibody class. Dear students, subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from a technologist. Protein is a polymer of option A sugar, B phenol, C amino acid, and option D carboxylic acid. So the correct option is C amino acid. Proteins are polypeptide formed from amino acid monomers. The molecular weight of human albumin is about option A 1,56,000, B 90,000, C 69,000, and option D 54,000. So the correct option is C 69,000. Human albumin has a molecular weight of 69 daltons. The protein content of soybeans is about option A 30%, B 40%, C 50%, and option D 60%. So the correct option is option B 40%. Explanation is soybeans are rich plant-based protein source containing approximately 40% protein by dry weight. The hormone that stimulates milk ejection is option A prolactin, B oxytocin, C estrogen, and option D progesterone. So the correct option is B oxytocin. Oxytocin released from posterior pituitary gland, which triggers the concentration of smooth muscle in the breast, aiding in milk ejection during breastfeeding. The lipid content of egg white is option A 12%, B 33%, C 10 to 11%, and option D traces. So the correct option is D traces. Egg white is mostly water and protein with only trace amount of lipids less than 0.1%. Dear students, if you like this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel. अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद है, बराए मेहरबानी मेरे YouTube चैनल को सब्सक्राइब, लाइक और शेयर ज़रूर कर लें। शुक्रिया। Which enzyme initiates the digestion of protein in the stomach? Option A, amylase, B, pepsin, C, trypsin, and option D, lipase. So the correct option is B, pepsin. Pepsin is secreted in the stomach as pepsinogen and activated by cell. It starts breaking down proteins into smaller peptides. Which hormone regulates the sleep-wake cycle? Option A, cortisol, B, insulin, C, melatonin, and option D, thyroxine. So the correct option is C, melatonin. Melatonin secreted by the pineal gland helps control circadian rhythms and promote sleep. Electrostatic bonds can be found between the side chains of option A, alanine and leucine, B, leucine and valine, C, aspartate and glutamate, and option D, lysine and aspartate. So the correct option is D, lysine and aspartate. Explanation is lysine plus and aspartate negative form ionic electrostatic bonds. So this is very important MCQs. In quaternary structure, subunit are linked by option A, peptide bond, option B, disulfide bond, C, covalent bond, and option D, non-covalent bonds. So the correct option is D, non-covalent bond. Explanation is quaternary structure involves non-covalent interaction, hydrogen bonds, hydrophobic, ionic between subunits. Dear students, this is very important MCQs. The primary site of gas exchange in the lungs is option A, bronchi, B, bronchioles, C, alveoli, and option D, trachea. So the correct option is C, alveoli. Alveoli are thin-walled structures where oxygen and carbon dioxide are exchanged. Allergic reactions are mediated by option A, IgA, B, IgG, C, IgT, and option D, IgE. So the correct option is D, IgE. Explanation is IgE binds to mast cell and basophils, triggering histamine release when allergens are encountered. Ammonia is transported from muscles to the liver mainly in the form of option A, free ammonia, B, glutamine, C, asparagine, and option D, alanine. So the correct option is D, alanine. The glucose-alanine cycle uses alanine as the main nitrogen carrier from muscles to the liver, where it is converted into the urea. Marasmus occurs from a deficient intake of option A, essential amino acids, B, essential fatty acids, C, calories, and option D, zinc. So the correct option is C, calories. Explanation is marasmus result from a severe deficiency of both calories and protein, primarily reflecting a loss of calories. And the denaturation of proteins, which bond that is not broken? Option A, disulfide bond, B, peptide bond, C, hydrogen bonds, and option D, ionic bond. So the correct option is B, peptide bond. Primary structure peptide bond remains intact during denaturation. Dear students, this is very important MCQs. A disulfide bond can be formed between option A, two methionine residues, option B, two cysteine residues, option C, a methionine and cysteine residues, and option D, all of these. So the correct option is B, two cysteine residues. Cysteine residues form disulfide bond via oxidation of their thiol groups. Dear students, if you like this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel. अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद है, बराए मेहरबानी मेरे YouTube चैनल को सब्सक्राइब, लाइक और शेयर ज़रूर कर लें। शुक्रिया। So this is very important MCQs. All of the following amino acids are optically active except option A, tryptophan, B, phenylalanine, C, valine, and option D, glycine. So the correct option is D, glycine. Glycine is the only achiral proteinogenic amino acid. Thank you for watching my videos.